Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. Today I am pouring over some experimental canvases. You can see this is an experiment that really didn't work out. It was a swipe. I'm not even going to tell you what it was because it didn't come out so good. But I have this great canvas and I want to reuse it, give it a new life, put something on it. So let's use all of our leftover stuff and let's not waste our art supplies. So we have our beautiful 11 by 14 canvas. And then I have this cup of paints. You can see this is all leftovers that I scraped up. I did a rainbow pour just a few minutes ago, and all the colors that had poured off I scraped into this cup, and this is what I have. I have this beautiful gray. And this reminded me of the first painting that I ever sold, which was a Dutch pour that was black and white and gray and gold. And I thought, oh, let's make another one of those because I haven't made one in a while. I'm usually in with the colors, with the blues and the greens. So I'm going to use all of this wonderful leftover paint. So this leftover gray that I scraped up from the other pour, very metallic, but all the paints on that other pour were mixed with Floetrol, Gluol, and water. So that is the pouring medium in the base coat. It is also the pouring medium that the other colors are mixed with. The black, the 24 karat gold, the Amsterdam titanium white. Just those colors are mixed a little bit thinner with a little bit of extra water. So the blowout colors, a little thinner with water. The base coat is a little thicker just because it was the leftovers. So here we go. So I'm gonna kind of put a bit of a semicircle of black here. And this is kind of where we're gonna be pouring from. I'm gonna add a little bit of black. This, white. This is my Amsterdam white that I've mixed with a Floetrol and a little bit of water. This is my 24 karat gold. Again, mixed with my pouring medium and water, not with Floetrol. And these are just some mixed silvers that I have. And I will extend some of these colors outward. We'll just kind of see how it all goes. And the other thing that I'm going to add, which I forgot, which I didn't have in my original pour, is one of my new favorite things, which is copper. Absolutely love copper. I'll just put in a tiny, tiny bit just to get some of that color through with the other colors. And I think it's pretty good. I might put in a bit more black. I have it. Let's use it. Okay. Set these aside. Get my hairdryer out and we'll see whether we can do something really, really pretty right here with these paints. Just wanted the black all the way over the edge. All right, here goes. We've lost our shape. Do you see that? By going in the different directions, we lost that circular shape that was there that looked so good. And I think I'm going to pour the rest of our paints on and do this again. I might just go with a straight line this time. A little bit of black that we have left. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I'm afraid there's too much paint on here though. Moves a bit. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's a little bit risky in terms of cracking with that much paint on a pour over. If this was on a new canvas, I wouldn't worry about it so much, but on a used canvas, I'm a little bit concerned. Okay, I think we're gonna leave it just the way it is. I love what that 24 karat gold is doing, what those cells are doing. I don't like that little white speck there, so I think I'll blow some into it. That's much better. Yeah, that's all right. Kind of goes over here a bit. Just move the colors into that empty space just a little bit, just to balance it a bit. Much better. With that moving there, much better. It's still a little, I don't want to call it bare, but I don't really have another word for it there. I might pick up see how that has just a tiny bit of gold and white in it? It just adds a bit of color to that area that was a little bit bland. I might do a little bit more actually, now that I see how that came out. That came out good. So I'll blend it in a little bit with the gray, and I'll add it on here. And we'll just blow it with the straw. Just add a little bit. And there, that's done. I don't think we're going to add much more. We are going to add just a little bit. I got to put a little bit of something right there. Just a little bit. Ooh, maybe too much. It'll be fine. Oops, I had that good and I wrecked it. The touch-ups can get really carried away. So much trouble with that one little area, and I need white paint for that. So I will just invent what we need. We'll get that white in there and a drop of gold. And we'll pick it up, add some black. We'll just swirl it together. Oh, we'll pick it up, we'll put it right here, since we have a drop there anyhow. We'll add it all here. Much better. Much more color going into that corner, and I think we're going to call it done. And we'll cross our fingers that it dries beautifully, because it looks really pretty right now. And we'll see. Thanks again for watching, as always, and I encourage you, go paint something beautiful and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.